Hello loves, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning BPB family, welcome back. Today we are going to celebrate Organizational Month. February in this household is organization. And the first project is this laundry room, multi-purpose room. We have some items that we took down from Christmas. This artwork was one of them. This table here I used to take down some of the items for the holidays. And then this box here are items that need to be purged, and it came from my craft room. This area here, we're going to put some curtains up on that window. The sink will be upgraded. This is the old plastic laundry sink that they put in here when we first built the home, and I'm thinking about either doing a built-in or have counters going all the way across. I'm still thinking about that. Wall hanging unit here, that will come down, and I'm thinking about some more cabinets above here. So here comes the part that's scary. So as I turn this corner, as you can see, if you guys are new to my channel, this area back here serves a lot of purposes. It serves laundry, it serves food preparation, it serves a gift center, gift wrapping center. This is the reason why I call it a multi-purpose room, because this area serves a lot of things and is perfect for that because it's separate from the main home, and you can do whatever you want back here and nobody can actually see your mess. So we'll be cleaning this off and doing what we need to do to get rid of all of this. But then we come to this cabinet unit up here. Now, this cabinet is supposed to be in the laundry area, but we are getting rid of all of that. This is going to be something else. I'm getting all that out of here. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with these shelving unit, but what I was doing was putting extra large decor up here because I needed the space, the height. As you can see, I still got some gift wrapping in my calendar for my gift wrap sitter, so we need to get rid of that and store it. Then over here on this side, this was my home management center for years, and now I am updating it. So if you guys been with me a while, you know what this used to look like. I have a video, so I will link that in the iCard above if you're interested. Below that, we still have these two bins here that we have for gifts. Not sure if I'm going to leave them there, but we shall see. I need to get rid of the wrapping paper from Christmas. This is the junk drawer. It's not as bad this time because I did go through here and purge some things, but I don't know if I still want it set up this way. I'm thinking about having some actual organizational containers or something like that instead of these dividers that I made. So those would get updated, and I do have a video on how I did this, so I will link that in the iCard above. Then we come down to this crazy cabinet. So I'm really going to have to dig and get all that stuff out of there. So all of that has to come out. And then as we swing around, you can see here, that wall there, I'm thinking about putting up some overhead cabinets for more storage. Here in this cabinet is definitely going to be upgraded. It is a mess. Look at this. My cleaning zone. I think that's what it was. Because down here at the longer cabinet is where are the brooms and stuff like that. But not sure if this is going to remain this way. We shall see. And I know this is going to be changed. So all that is coming out. And then we have this cabinet is definitely going to be upgraded. All of this is coming out of here. These was my seasonal decor. I have a video on both of these cabinets, so if you're interested, I will link those two videos if you're new. But these need to be updated. So these are my plans, how I am going to straighten this out, organize it better, and update a lot of things actually. So we are going to start by cleaning up this mess. And then I'm going to get a couple of the boxes, and we're going to distribute the items, either put away, give away, or give to a thrift store or something like that, or to friends. So this project will last over a few months. And what I would do, I would be uploading some videos to let you know how things are coming along. So what I'm going to do is clean this off. I'm going to put this on fast forward. And if you want to watch me do that, okay. If not, you can just skip to the next part. These are the 3 bins. That's for donation. This is for household that I'm keeping. And this is for the craft that I'm keeping. Okay, everybody. So the counter is clean. So now we have to do a little strategizing. We are going to create a laundry cabinet. So that means that we need to empty out a set of cabinets to create an empty space so we can start organizing. This is the cabinet here, and right now the laundry cabinet where I keep all the detergent is in this cabinet that I showed you before. So this cabinet has to be emptied out also. So like I said, it needs a little bit strategy here because we only have this works area. Okay, everyone, as you can see, this cabinet is empty now. We have emptied everything out of it, and it's ready to organize for our laundry center. And what was over here in this cabinet is now over in this area, and everything is boxed up. All of those napkins and pillowcases and everything is all packaged up in these nice little covers that they came in. And that's the same with the runners, the pillow covers, the napkins, all the little tableware that has to do with that kind of stuff. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is start labeling some of these cabinet areas, these shelves. And basically the idea that I have is these bottom shelves down here, I am going to put laundry baskets in. And it would be the whites, the colors, and special treatment laundry baskets. And then up in this area here will be some sort of organization system where I would put all the washing powder or the bleach pods or dryer sheets, things of that nature will go there because I want them near so it can be easily to access. And then up here will be the large items such as maybe an iron up here, or it could be some sort of bin, acrylic bin or something that has spray starch, bottle softeners, things of that nature that we would put that's easy to grab. And then up there would be overstock items I buy in bulk at the beginning of the year, and all those things will be stocked up there that has to do with laundry detergent, bleach, softeners, things of that nature will go up there. So that is my idea. So what we're going to do is go ahead and label these shelves, and then we'll start putting in some of the organization bins and boxes and things in that nature that I have we can put in here to designate the areas. This is the kind of laundry basket we're going to use. It's in black. I purchased it from Amazon. It's like a mesh material, and that's what we're going to use. Okay, everyone, we have finished labeling the shelves, and I also went ahead and installed some bins and containers. So right here at the very top shelf, over on the left hand side, is what I labeled spills. Towels will go there because just in case the wash machine overflows or leaks, we can grab those towels right quickly and mop it up. Right on the other side is overstock. Every year I buy in bulk, and those items will go there. And then on the second shelf is what I'm calling refills, and basically what that is leftover detergent or bleach or whatever from the container, leftover detergent pods or bleach pods or whatever in those jars. And in this bin right here will go the starch bottles and spray starch cans and washing machine cleaners, stuff like that. This is my organization unit. I will talk more about that when we come to it. And here is the instruction manual where I have the dryer and washing machine manuals in here, and I also have some laundry stain remover tips and also some DIY detergent that you want to make yourself and things in that nature. Then we come down to the second cabinet where I installed all the bins. We have 3 bins here. The first bin is for coloreds, the second bin is for whites, and the last bin is for any clothing that needs treatment. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill up this compartment here, and then we can go ahead and insert everything on these shelves. Okay, everybody, let's look at the final look. I am very, very happy how this looks. So I've already shown you what everything looks down here as far as the bins. So what if you haven't seen is on these shelves. So let's go all the way up. Right there are the towels for any emergency spills. Those are the overstock items, so we have more of those items that would last us throughout the year. And then here are the refills from the detergent that I put in here that I didn't want to fill all the way or it wouldn't fit. And I have these jars for the refills, so all I have to do is when I need more, I'll just use it from these jars before I tackle the overstock items. So we have our detergent pods here, our booster. We also have some OxyClean back there. We have starch here, and we have liquid starch and spray starch back there. We have spray water. There's our instructions manual, and here is the booster, the stain remover, which is the OxyClean, the bleach pods, and the detergent pods. And in here we have our softener, and in the center we have our washing machine cleaner. It turned out so well, easy, accessible, and everything is out in the open. You don't have to dig for anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I received some tips on how you can put together your laundry center or cabinet. If you're new to the channel, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell twice, and you will get notified when my videos are uploaded. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for joining me today. Love, hugs, and kisses. Smooches.